Okay, welcome once again to Soggy's Workshop. This is the fourth video in this build, and we've made some progress adding these two little pieces of plywood to the bottom of the seat, securing the faux leather, sort of pinning it to the wooden structure of the seat. I changed the handlebars also.
Oh, mira nomás, esta es mi mamá.
There's my beautiful mother, everybody. She's on her way to pick some oranges. I decided to go with BMX handlebars because it'll complement the Suzuki look better than the cruiser bars will. At least that's what I think so far. We've done some staining. As you can see, we've progressed. I like the color of the stain. It's sort of a reddish color, and with the black background, I think it looks really attractive. Now under here I added some hardware. There's a couple pieces. I threw them in because I'm going to actually put a Fender Support. A long time ago I had an accident with the Fender and it got caught up in my back wheel. It was terrible. I was going about 30, maybe 35, and I knocked my head pretty hard on the street that day. But I learned my lesson. So here we have the Fender Support. What it is old discarded bicycle rim, which I bended outward until it matched the curvature of the tire, and you know, I painted it black to match and attached it here and here to the rear axle. And these struts, these little pieces here, came from a door, like a metal door that I found, a metal screen door. One day I was walking home and I found it in the alley. Great find. It weighed like 50 pounds. So I'll just add the fender to the outside of the support. Here's the fender, and it'll sit right about here somewhere. I'm even thinking we can extend it out. Might look good that way, you know, show a little more fender. The seat still looks a little bit thin to me, so I'll be adding to that. Try to cover up some of the springs and stuff underneath it. You know, I've also been looking at this and I'm thinking maybe I can place a piece of wood or sort of fill in this area here by the odometer. You know, like on a motorcycle, how they would have their front dash, sort of. We might be able to mimic something like that, but I don't know. We'll see. I painted the chain guard down there. It used to be that gold color, and I plan on adding some strips here, and definitely cover this area here. Maybe I'll put something to transition between here. I'm not sure if I like this gold and black color, but the rim and seat I'm still working on. It has the seat has way too much leverage. I mean, it'll hit this rim for sure if you put all your weight on it. So I'm thinking I'll add some sort of support here and run it up to the bottom of the seat. I'm sorry, I was losing my train of thought here. Okay, I'll definitely want to cover this area and this area, because the whole idea is to sort of cover up the bolted look. So I'm thinking a slat of wood here, right about here to here, sort of follow the curvature, and we'll cover this area here, obviously. But you know, I think it's looking not too bad. I'm not too sure about the original color the bike came in. It's this sort of this green color, but I like the red of this stain. But unfortunately, I'm just about running out of the red stain, so I'll see.